Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting prerequisites out of the way. Make sure your PC runs Windows 10 or 11 and the Myasus app is updated. Enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both the PC and phone. You need low-latency discovery. Sign into the same Asus account on each device so they can authenticate. Once done, open Myasus on the PC and tap Link to Myasus on the phone. This initiates discovery and prepares both devices to pair securely and exchange service capabilities. You'll now pair and grant permissions. On the PC, choose your phone from the discovery list in Myasus. On the phone, accept the incoming pairing request and confirm the displayed code matches. Make sure to allow the app permissions it requests. Notifications, file access, and screen sharing are typical. These permissions let Link to Myasus mirror screens, transfer files, and show phone notifications on your PC. Once permissions are accepted, the two devices finalize a secure connection and register as Link. You're ready to use Link to Myasus features. Transfer files via drag and drop, mirror your phone screen, and control notifications from the PC. Try a quick file transfer to confirm functionality. If the link fails, first reboot both devices and toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. That resolves most transient discovery problems. If issues persist, clear the Myasus app cache or reinstall the app, then repeat pairing. This troubleshooting keeps your link reliable without losing data or account settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.